If you're trying to figure out how to change the creator of a Skool community, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will walk you through the entire process and even give you some tips to make the transition smoother. Keep watching to learn how to do this seamlessly and avoid any potential headaches. But here's the catch, we'll also dive into some options that could actually serve you better for this specific goal. The first thing you need to understand is that Skool doesn't actually allow you to change the creator of a community directly. So if you're hoping to transfer creator rights, you might be in for a bit of a challenge. That said, there are ways to manage this process, but let's go over your options and alternatives. Next thing to note, you can change the ownership of a Skool community by transferring the entire account. But be aware, this isn't as simple as flipping a switch. You'll need to completely hand over your login credentials or create a new account that can assume the role of admin. This can be a little messy, especially if you have a lot of content or members involved. It's not the cleanest solution, and it requires complete trust between the current creator and the new one. The third thing to remember is that the process to transfer the admin role isn't built for this specific scenario. Skool's setup is meant to keep the creator as a constant, which limits your flexibility. If you're finding that this limitation is a deal breaker, it's something you'll want to keep in mind as you consider your long-term platform. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool has its strengths in creating community-driven platforms, it's not the best option if changing the creator role is a top priority for you. We'll get into the best alternatives in just a moment, but first, it's important to know that Skool can still work for communities where the creator role doesn't need to change regularly. However, if you're in a position where you're growing and need flexibility, it's worth looking into other platforms that are more adaptable. The fourth thing to consider is that, despite these limitations, Skool's interface and community building tools are solid for those who don't mind sticking with the original creator. But if you need something with more options for leadership roles, you might find Skool too restrictive in the long run. So, here's the open loop. What if I told you there are better platforms out there that not only allow you to change the creator role easily, but also offer more flexibility in managing your community's growth? That's right. Stick around, and I'll tell you exactly which platform I recommend at the end, along with some exclusive free trials that are only available to you through our link. Now, before we wrap up, if you're ready to make a change, I've got some great news. I've partnered with a software provider that gives you an exclusive and extended free trial. This competitor platform solves the exact problem you're facing right now with Skool, changing the creator role, and much more. Best of all, through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and some incredible benefits that aren't available anywhere else. In conclusion, while Skool is great for community building, it falls short when it comes to changing the creator role easily. If that's a deal breaker for you, check out the platform in the link and enjoy an exclusive free trial and extra features.